Hey Dekoni fans! If you're not satisfied with the way your headphones feel around your head and you're looking for comfort and an upgrade to your listening experience, look no further with our Dekoni Nuggets, which are now offered in both black and brown. Today, we will be showing you how to install your one-size-fits-all nuggets so that you're able to properly modify your headphones without any hassle and enjoy the notable benefits of our nuggets. First, open the box and take out your one-size-fits-all Dekoni Nuggets. Once you have the nuggets out of the box, place them around the desired areas of your headphones that'll offer you the best comfort. These can either be specific pressure points or hotspots that have previously caused you discomfort. Or, perhaps, you can fill in the gaps between these hotspots to try and spread out the pressure. However, do this before removing the red tape around the nuggets to avoid sticking them to places you don't want them. Once you've figured out where you'd like to put your nuggets, go ahead and remove the red tape from the nuggets. When you finish removing the tape, carefully place them on the spots of your choosing. And there you have it. Once you've finished sticking your nuggets to your desired points, you're ready to enjoy the newfound comfort of your headphones. For all of your headphone and accessory needs, check us out at DekoniAudio.com. Thanks for watching.